If you're like me, you use wire brushes and a Dremel and the attachments to clean up your parts. The problem with wire brushes is they eat away. And if you can see on this towel, there's lots of little bitty pieces of that wire brush. The problem is I repair a lot of clocks in my bedroom and I go barefooted. And these little pieces of wire get in my feet and my daughter has to pick them out. Now I saw a trick on YouTube the other day where if you take baking soda, pour the item that you're wanting to glue, put baking soda on top, and then super glue, just drench it in super glue, it makes it super hard. Well, this is a typical, it's not a wire brush, but a plastic brush. And that's what I did. I put baking soda on top and then the super glue. And it took it from being a flimsy brush. Stand by and I'll get you another one. It took it from being a brush like this, something similar to this, where it's really flimsy, to something that's fairly hard. And it cleans up the parts and the bristles don't fall off. The next wire brush I get, I treated this after the brush was halfway gone. And you can see the part that I put super glue on is still there. I should have put super glue on the entire brush, but I didn't. But the part I put super glue on and that baking powder trick is still there. So, what do you guys do, guys and gals, do about preventing these wire brushes from being destroyed? I go through several of these things. Anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.